You may want to add author information onto one of your blog posts, and there are various ways of doing that depending on what sort of effect you're after. But in this video, I'm going to show you one option, which is to use the CoBlocks Author block. So here we are on a blog post. So let's just preview that. So here's the blog post, and I've got my name at the top as the author, but it doesn't really say anything about me. So it might be nice to have maybe a little block here at the bottom, or perhaps at the top here, that explains something about the author. So we're going to add it to the bottom for the moment. So the block we're going to use is in CoBlocks, and it's this one, author. And it really is as simple as just filling in the details that it asks for. So the author name here is Lorna Walker. You click on that and have an image of the author, you can add that in. And then you write something about the author and their writing. Whatever you want to write goes in there. And then if you want to, you can also have a link. So you could link through to, let's say, my LinkedIn page. So it's not the full URL, but you could obviously add that in and then say maybe find out more or contact the author or something like that. So if we just preview that, and you can see how it looks. Here we are at the bottom of the page, and you have a little bit of control over some of the styling aspects of this. So for example, you can change the font size of the author name should you wish to. And you've obviously got control over the background colour and the text colour. So if we wanted the background colour to be this darker grey, if we wanted the text to be white, you can see it's advising that's not a great choice, but it shows you the principle of how that might work. So as with any block, you can move this around on the page. So if we wanted to drag this up, or click up button like that, we could have it so that it appears right at the top of the post. So if we have a look at how that seems, again, that's going to display the author information here before the actual post gets started. Move it back down, and there it is at the bottom.